So my name is Ashish, and I'm from India. And सबसे पहले नमस्ते. This is a greeting in India. It's like konnichiwa in India. So I have my own company. I am a CEO of a company. It's an Auton System Private Limited. It's an Indian company, and it's a 6-year-old company. And I came Japan recently. I'm looking for a startup, a company in Japan. It's not incorporated, and I'm looking for a market. How can I capture a market? How can I go in the market? Machine learning, hardware, as well as software. So it's a combination product. It's a B2B product. It's more like an industrial automation.
Does it
It's
do
more
something? It's like a
IoT.
IoT. Okay.
Yeah, it's an IoT for businesses.
Hardware that watches machines and says this machine is going to do something
Mainly
bad.
of the yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Cool. You should talk to Mason. He does IoT stuff. He'll put a